Imagine it's morning. The sun is rising over the horizon, casting its golden glow across the earth. And then, without warning, it vanishes. No explosion, no fading, just gone. In an instant, the source of all life disappears. For the next 24 hours, our planet drifts through space alone in complete darkness. This is not the end of time. It is a test of survival. A single day without the sun. What would happen to Earth, and to us? The moment the sun disappears, light does not vanish instantly. Because light takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth, for a brief window, the sky looks normal. But then, the final rays arrive. And suddenly, day turns to night. The moon and stars appear overhead, but their faint light cannot replace the blazing sun. Cities across the world plunge into chaos. Traffic grinds to a halt. Power grids surge as billions switch on artificial lights. Humanity realizes something impossible has happened, but the shock doesn't end with the light. The sun's gravity holds Earth in orbit. Without it, our planet begins to drift in a straight line through the void, leaving the solar system behind. As the first hours unfold, temperatures begin to drop. The Earth's surface loses heat quickly without solar radiation. Within hours, many regions feel a deep chill, like a sudden winter. In tropical countries, the air cools to near freezing. Closer to the poles, the cold becomes unbearable. But this is just the beginning. Plants, dependent on sunlight for photosynthesis, shut down. Crops begin to fail. In greenhouses and farmlands, leaves droop. Farmers watch helplessly as entire harvests die in the dark. Animals too sense the change. Birds stop their migration patterns. Insects vanish into silence. The natural clock that has guided life for millions of years is broken. As darkness spreads, Earth's atmosphere begins to shift. Winds slow. Ocean currents powered by solar heat weaken. Without the sun's energy, weather as we know it collapses. No gentle breezes, no storms, just a still, cold silence. At sea, the surface begins to freeze. In just 24 hours, oceans develop sheets of ice near the poles. Marine life retreats deeper, chasing what little warmth remains below. The balance of the entire biosphere starts to unravel. Meanwhile, the sky changes too. With no sunlight to scatter, the atmosphere grows eerily transparent. The Milky Way becomes sharper, brighter, a breathtaking sight, but one wrapped in terror. For the first time, billions gaze at the universe as it truly is, endless, silent, and cold. As the crisis deepens, humanity scrambles to adapt. Cities ignite emergency power supplies. Governments issue orders, conserve energy, stay indoors, avoid panic. Families huddle around heaters and fires, some pray, others riot. In every corner of the globe, fear spreads faster than the cold. Astronomers confirm the truth: the sun has vanished, and without its gravity, Earth is now on a doomed path. Slowly, our planet drifts into the deep unknown. In just one day, humanity learns how fragile our place in the cosmos really is. By the 20th hour, the Earth is frozen in many regions. Crops are destroyed, power grids fail under strain, temperatures plummet to deadly levels. In less than a day, billions face a fight for survival. Yet Earth's molten core still radiates some heat. Deep underground geothermal energy provides tiny havens of life. Deep sea vents keep parts of the ocean alive. Humanity begins to realize, if the sun never returns, survival will depend on what remains below the surface, not above it. Then, just as suddenly as it disappeared, the sun reappears in the sky. After 24 hours of frozen silence, the golden light floods across the horizon. Temperatures slowly climb, winds stir again, oceans begin to thaw. Life breathes a sigh of relief. Humanity steps outside, blinking into the returning glow. But the damage is already done. Millions are lost, ecosystems are shattered. The Earth itself has been scarred by a single day of darkness. This thought experiment reminds us that we exist in balance with forces we cannot control. The sun is not just a star, it is the heartbeat of Earth. It gives us warmth, seasons, and food. Without it, life collapses in hours. And so we are left with a haunting question. If one day without the sun could nearly destroy us, what would happen if it disappeared forever?